All right, let's do this. I gotta wait for the market to chill out on this strategy because we're only looking for 10-point profit, 10-point stop loss with structure and fast moving candles, or fair value gaps is what they call it. We had a winner, we had a loser. We're at break even today. We had also a two places where we were going to take a trade. That one won at the bottom, this one lost at the top. So again, break even on the imaginary trades. So 2 real trades, 2 mental trades, both 2 winners, 2 losers. So what I'm doing here is I'm waiting for it to pull back to structure and a fair value gap. This is a good area right here. I don't know if the market's going too fast for me though, but I will try this right here.
Order submitted.
Because there is a fast moving candle right here and a structure set up. All right, this is looking good here. It worked right here. Fast moving candle came back down to structure. Right there would be the setup. Bouncing off those pintails. And we have another one right here. I'll try it right here. Doesn't mean it's going to work.
Order submitted.
That's what I want. I want to see that. If it's going to keep moving, I'd be interested in seeing how this one might work here too. Let's keep an eye on this. 250 tick. Okay. Just want to mark another. Here's a fast acting candle. Fair value gap with a pintail right here. I'm going to put a buy order right there as well. We're looking for
order submitted.
10-point win or lose. So I got one there, I got one here. Because I'm going to see how this is just a practice account. Hopefully, let's see if it'll get me.
Order filled.
Go back up, hit target.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay, all right. That was awesome. That is what I'm talking about. Fair value gap with a structure, 10-point move. That's all you're looking for. Here comes another one down here. Let's see if this one gets me. I mean, the way it's been going, we've been 50-50 all morning. So let's see if this one will give us a win. Its market is moving quick though. That's the next best place right there. So I'm just going to wait. This is not a fair value gap or a fast acting candle, but you see the structure developing right here. Put this over here. Structure at the bottom, but that is a fast act? No, because this pintail's in the way. All right, time for some music while we're waiting.
To 170 range on NQ. I would want to see bulls break that area. I'm looking at Bookmap to see if we can get the volume come in first. And then I do want to see a back test of that level. Ideally, I would want to wait for another 10 minutes.
Order filled.
Go up. Go up. Hit the target. See, it's hitting this structure right here. Go up, hit the target.
Target filled.
Target filled. All right, we have 2 winners now, back to back. Good. It did, you see how it did hit.
Huh?
Okay, we just live streamed 2 winners. We had a winner and a loser before the market opened, and we had a winner and loser on a mental trade that I didn't take. And now we just had 2 back-to-back winners. I'm very grateful. These 2 winners right here, thank you, Lord, was based on structure and fast-moving candles. Those 2 things together are very important. And you see right here, it did it again. These fast-moving candles that come down, price came up to where the structure was. And you can see how it rejected nicely right there. So, beautiful. And right here, price went up. There's no fair value gap in this area though, so it's not as strong in my opinion. Here we see a fast moving area right here. So if it came back down to here, I'd probably want to try it. I can't be scared. We got to go for it.
Order submitted.
Right here, let's see if that will work.
Order filled.
Okay, if it goes back up, great. If it stops me out, that's fine. We're training here. We're training.
Stop filled.
Okay, that one did not work. I'm going to take every single one of these that I see, though. I don't want to repeat.
Order canceled.
Trade. Oh, this one was set for right here. Yeah, we'll take that one. If it comes down that far.
Order submitted.
If it comes down that far, we'll take it. This one was already hit. So I'm not sure I want to take this one again. This was already hit. We already got that. We got 2 winners and 1 loser on this. So the next target's right here. Fair value gap with structure. Let's see if we can get 10 points on that thing, if it comes down that far. Okay, it created another one right here. Fair value gap, structure.
Order submitted.
10 points. Let's see what happens here. If it comes down to that, the structure on this comes back down and hits. See, I don't know which one to use. That's always the trick. It's not going to be 10 points of a loss. If he uses the second one, that's fine. Here's another one.
Order submitted.
Which one though? I'm going to use the middle one, the red one. I'm going to go with this one right here. It went up, came down, went up, came down. Maybe I should use this one here. This is where I'm learning right here. I'm just really trying to figure this particular strategy. I'm going to go drop down one more here on this one too, because the last time it tried to go up was this red candle pintail. Last time it tried to go up, then it came down and shot up. So this pintail, the top of this, let's see if it gets me.
Order filled.
All right, I don't know if it's going to work. It's 10-point loss, 10-point target. I got another order down here at the next one, and after that, if it stops me out on both of those, I'm just going to chill out for a minute. Hit the target, buddy. Hit the target. Go up. Hit it. You got to leave it. You got to leave it. This is a 1-to-1 strategy. I'm not moving anything. This is taking one Apex 50K account. I'm going to do this one strategy. No compromises. No moving anything. No moving target, no moving stop loss, the same trade setup, one 50K Apex account. I'm going to see what happens because I need to get a payout.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay. I'm going to still keep this one down here and see if it works, or take any ones that are created because here's another one that's created. Fast moving candle with structure. So what this means is, okay, let's just eyeball this because it would have triggered me in. I didn't put it in there. And that was only a 6-point drop off the pivot. I'm curious to see if this would also be a winner. Let's mark off the target, which would be 10 points. Yeah, it would have hit target. I just didn't get the order in on time. So what we're looking for is a fast moving candle where there's no other candles touching that spot. People call it a fair value gap. I just call it a fast moving candle. It comes back down into that naked area or that fast area and hits structure. Hits some candles where there's like a table or a ledge, which it did right here. It got in right there. Right there it hit these candles. This is the fast moving area, so it came back down, hit the structure. Okay, and then I got a 10-point stop loss. If it keeps going, it'll stop me out. It was only 6.75, and then it went right back up to the 10. There's the 10. So that was I didn't have a chance to take that trade. So we still have 2 spots down here if price were to come back down where the candles moved really quickly, fast candles. And then it created there's some pivots that it could come bounce off of. I don't know if this is a good one or not. Here was another one right here where it went real fast. And then the structure would be, either one of these pivots really, but if you just take the top one even and go to the bottom one, see, that would have stopped out if it was the top one. If it was the middle one, we would not have been stopped out. Or I like to go as low as possible. Typically, I've been going with the lowest one for that very reason. That's why I have the entry on this last candle here and not these upper ones. But if this, that's what they call a fair value gap. So the target, we're looking for it to bounce off structure, which is these candles over here. Go up, come back down to the top of this. But man, I don't know. You could see it worked, but I'm not sure how I would have taken that one. If it's going, price is going fast right now, so I'm gonna slow down. At the moment, we're up 349 on the practice account. I wish I was doing this on my PA account so I can get a payout. But I'm just trying to pass this new account with this one strategy and see if I can get this one strategy to work. My problem is I'm not sticking with any one strategy for very long, which is typical for day traders. They keep switching strategies because you have a series of losses, and the next thing you know, you think it's broken, your strategy's broken, when really you just gotta stick with it. So here's some fast moving candles. And we have options here with that red bar ignored, that red candle ignored right there. But there's another one right here, and that's the second one. For me, I probably would take it's a
Order
practice account. Let's
submitted.
do it. I'm going to take the bottom one. And maybe I should, since it is practice, take the top one too.
Order submitted.
So there's 2 areas right there that we might get something. I'm not going to take it any higher than that. It needs to bounce off of something. I know people take fair value gaps or the fast moving candles. They'll take it right in the middle without it bouncing off of anything. And their strategies work. That's good for them. But for me, I want to see it come to the bottom of the fast move or the fair value gap. I want to see it come to the bottom and bounce off something. I want those 2 things in place. And if I don't have it, I'm not taking it. That's what this particular strategy is. I don't even know if this is going to work. I'm trying something new here. But I definitely need to change jobs. And I hope that I can do this for a living because I can do it from my home. Come on. Hit it.
Order filled.
Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Hit the target. 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 Oh, it's one tick off. And that happens. It's going to happen. This is the law of trading. You will miss your target by one stop. You will make it by one tick, and that's just how it is.
Order filled.
Okay, that one didn't work.
Stop filled. Order canceled.
Uh-oh, I'm out.
Order filled.
Okay, what happened here? Oh man, something's got to go. I don't know what mistake was made, but that one would not have stopped me out. I got out because, see, this is the stop loss on that. Maybe I shouldn't do two back to back. It's too nerve-wracking and it made me lose my concentration. Okay, that would have stopped me out. So those two were losses. I still have, I don't have it. What's this right here? No, that area already was taken. Trying to figure out what happened. That makes me mad. Just keep doing it. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Fast moving candles.
Order filled.
That's good. That's too high.
Stop filled.
Okay, that was too high. Don't do back-to-back trades like that.
It's not something that I'm building. It's something I awake. There's a piece that comes in layers.
There's one way down here.
Calm that slowly grows.
Order submitted.
When I stop controlling
Still have that one.
everything and not trust the way it flows. Nothing lost. Nothing wrong. Everything has led me here.
Order submitted.
Moment, I remember
Oh, I missed that
there
one.
was never anything to fear. Peace, peace,
No, it didn't trigger you in.
Order canceled.
I feel the peace.
Okay, we're gonna go right here.
Order
By
submitted.
limit.
Let it flow. Let it guide.
Come on, Bubba. Ooh, you had that one too.
Peace.
That one would have hit target. Right there. Yeah, that would have hit target. Doggone it.
Let it guide.
I don't know if I can do it again. Oh man. See, something's going on.
there's nothing left to chase. Everything is happening exactly in its place.
Order submitted.
You might be able to get it right here or here. You just get that one. You just did that one. Yeah, there you go. Don't do two.
Feel the wave. Feel the wave. Let it move.
This is an interesting area.
Let it stay. In the silence, I remain. In the rhythm, no more pain.
Gotta pull back, buddy.
Every breath feels aligned. Every moment feels divine. No more fear, no more fight. Only flow, only light.
Riding someone or some company super hard and you don't think for yourself ever, that's a problem. You need to educate yourself. You need to look at all the different resources, watch all the different videos, try them. And if you like them, stay with them. And if you don't like them, go somewhere else, because at the end of the day, like, you are in your own court. It is trading. You are the only one responsible for your trades. You're the only one responsible for your decisions. You're the only one responsible for where you trade prop firm wise. Brokers, this is a different conversation. Brokers are incentivized to work with you, and it's great, right? For live accounts. But I just think it's an important little reminder of, like, look alive, you know what I mean? Don't get too comfortable. Also, sift through some of the BS that gets put out by prop firm companies. A lot of them, I think, have very good intentions, but some of them will use some PR that I'm like, this is just a straight up, like, I just don't agree with that. Like, I don't think you're looking out like that at all, actually. You know what I mean? So, just look alive, be smart, be patient, you know, get educated. Prop firms are an amazing tool. But that's what they are. They are a tool, right? And I think that's an important distinction of this entire conversation.
Order
They're a
submitted.
tool, they are not the end result, right? So he's talking about, like, do I think prop firms disappear at some point? I actually don't think they disappear at some point, like I just went on and said for the last 15 minutes. That being said, they are still just a tool. They should not be the end-all be-all ever.
Order filled.
You can absolutely use a lot of different tools at once and attack them. That's what I'm doing, right? I'm trading 20 accounts at Apex. Trying to max out at Tradeify, trying to max out at Lucid, trying to max out at Take Profit Trader. All those combined is absolutely, like, if I take my goal is to take one payout from every place all at the same day and just have, like, it be like a crazy big day. That would be so fun. But that's not the,
Target
that is not
filled.
the end all be all. Like, I have a live
Why are
account.
you
I trade
putting
my live
another
account. That
order
is
in
super
there? That
important to
doesn't
me,
make any
right?
sense.
Especially because you never know what ends up happening with these individual companies. It's like crypto, right? My wallet, my keys, my funds, my account. Same concept, right? At the end all be all, like, if you want insurance on this whole thing, at the end of the day, the true answer and the only answer is Trade your own money. Trade your own personal account. My funds, my broker, my account, right? If you go through a prop firm, it's their funds, their money, their rules, their end-all, like, you know, last say in the matter. And so, just an important reminder: can you get absolutely insane, you know, RR kind of pools out of prop firms? The answer is absolutely yes, and they absolutely hit, and it is so fun when it hits, because it's like I just spent like, you know, maybe I spent like $2,000 and I pulled out $40,000 or something. That's a great sort of situation, right?
Order
Freaking
filled.
epic. Especially with the cap, like the downside is literally capped. It's hard to do that on a live account with a capped downside like that. But still, my funds, my account, my money, that will survive forever, right?
Target filled.
That process will survive forever. Better way to say that. Live accounts going nowhere. All right. That's what I got for you. A lot of words. Very important, though. All of that. That entire conversation. God, that was 25 minutes of me talking. My bad. But very important stuff on very important topics across the board. I think 3 different very important topics. Don't talk about it enough. Needs to be said. You also don't hear about it enough on social media because everybody's just like, man, my brain is just in the gutter today. But I was about to do a, yeah. They just got like, you know, like these big green candles that kind of look like a cucumber in your mouth, you know, sort of situation. That's what a lot of online people got going on. So it's just important to remember all of the sides of the equation. There you go. Just got a solid page of notes from that. Nice. Huh? I'm saying that online. Never mind, chat. I just joined. Can you repeat? Yeah. All right. So here's the thing. It's like a forest fire. Most random analogy of the day. Don't know why it popped into my head. Heavy hitting analogy, though. I'm very proud of that one. All right. Coming in yesterday's close at 29,320. Just a straight up move off the open so far, chat. Buyers looking all right. It's 9 o'clock, top of the hour. That should be a preacher. Well, I get it, honest. My dad's a preacher. So I get the monologues honest, to be fair. Like, it's in my blood. Are we taking any trades? Yeah, eventually. Hopefully, maybe not. I don't know. I'm not gonna take a trade if I don't see it. One worth taking. All right, chat, if you haven't, make sure you press the thumbs up button. If you want to enter the giveaway for today, you gotta press the thumbs up button.
Ending the live stream, we're up.
In order to even win,
$178,
we've got
but that's better than
530 people in
nothing.
here.
All right,
We got
I'll see you on the
300
next
thumbs up
live
right
stream.
now,
Let's see how this
like literally
goes.